So is this a defect, a safety hazard for home inspectors? To answer that, log into the How to Perform Residential Electrical Inspections course, which has been updated with the most recent building standards in relation to kitchen island receptacles. And the building standards, the National Electrical Code and the International Residential Code, have changed a bit. Now, receptacle outlets for islands and peninsulas are optional, not required. So what do you do during a home inspection if you find this? Well, some inspectors are saying that it's in the way that you use a device that makes it safe. And that's not correct. For example, let's say you're inspecting a residential deck and it doesn't have a guard for some reason. The absence of that guard is a safety hazard. It's not in the way that you use something. You can't even use it, it's missing. Same thing with GFCI protection that's missing or improperly installed. The inspector shall report as in need of correction the GFCI devices that were not properly installed or did not operate properly. It's not in the way that you use a receptacle. It's the absence of the GFCI protection. The thing that was supposed to protect you from getting hurt is missing. It's not in the way that you used the missing thing that makes it a safety hazard. And to help us understand what is unsafe, InterNACHI's glossary defines what is unsafe. Code also helps us define what is unsafe. Unsafe structures, unsafe conditions, unsafe equipment. If imagine a smoke detector that's missing, that's an unsafe condition. That's a fire hazard. It's not in the way that you didn't use the smoke detector. It's missing. So what do I recommend? I recommend taking a look at the standards of practice and then log back in to the residential electrical inspections course. Because we're an accredited college, we're obligated to update our course with the most accurate information as possible. For-profit, unaccredited schools have no obligation. Personally, I think InterNACHI's courses are some of the best training in the world. For example, in the electrical inspections course, we have information about the safety hazards and also some options. Remember, in a real estate transaction, the homeowner or seller is not obligated to fix anything that we put in the inspection report, but I'm obligated to give my clients the best information they need to make smart decisions. So in this scenario, what would I do? I took this inspection picture. I would observe the receptacle below the kitchen island countertop. I would test it to see if it's wired properly with GFCI protection, and then I would inform my clients of the safety hazard, and I'd put that in my inspection report and allow my client to make smart decisions on what to do next. I'm not a code inspector, I'm a home inspector, thank goodness. So go to any NACHI.org page, go to Get Started, slide down to Education, and search for your favorite free online inspection course right now.